breaking news, we come to you live from OWA News. The former RCMP investigator found shocking evidence at the latest crime scene for a breaking turn in the child slaughter case. Investigator Paul Connor recalled that Chris Tuckson was the only suspect in the disappearances of dozens of children by Oviedo's east side. Here is a rough sketch of the former prime suspect, Christopher Tuckson. Connor said that he wished he would caught the break to put Tuckson behind bars before he found the shocking evidence found at the latest crime scene. Connor recalled watching officers question Tuckson during a Wednesday interview on a TV monitor during the presumed killings of 3 high school teens in the local park. Lawyer Justin Case, who is representing 25 families of murdered teens, played a portion of the video found at the crime scene. The video is compiled of disturbing music and images of the 3 kids playing at the park. The ending shows what appears to be what looks like the 3 kids hanging as they were found at the crime scene. Here's the clip.
I'm a demon.
Investigators are now puzzled and trying to see if a pattern inevitably ensues. Tuckson, now clear of his name, caused parents and the concerned members of the community to stem more questions such as, are my kids safe, and how many more killings have to happen until they go nationwide? More at 11.